How to add a custom font in Canva? First, you want to go to the homepage of canva.com, and once you're there, you want to start creating your project. And I'm clicking here Instagram post, and I'm going to create a one. Then once it's opened, you can go on the left side of the screen where it says text. You can select it by left clicking, and then you can add a random text on your screen. After selecting it, you make sure that it's all highlighted, just like I'm doing right now. Once highlighted, go to here. This is the place on where you will find all the fonts that you're having on Canva. As you can see, some of them are premium. And if you want to add your own, you can select here upload a font, and a message will appear that is gonna ask you to upgrade to Canva Pro in order to access that feature. Remember that you don't need to pay for it, you can try it for free for the next 30 days. And that's all there is to it.